Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the UAE, precisely in Abu Dhabi, and look at this view. Wow, this is the Grand Mosque of Sheikh Zayed, I think. Wow, looks stunning. So we just landed about an hour ago. We're on this long journey from London to Jakarta in Indonesia. We've done a stopover here in Abu Dhabi so we could visit this city that I've never seen before. We've booked a ticket online at about 10:30 for a visit here at the mosque. We thought this was the entrance, but no, you need to go in that sort of glass dome, and I think what happens, you go from underneath and then you go all the way to the mosque. I must admit it's hot here. It must be like about 40 degrees today. It's just wow. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. I dread to think how high the temperatures are going to be about 12 o'clock. So we're going to go and visit the mosque inside. Done all the security checks. Now we're going through this corridor to the entrance of the mosque. So we're back here at the mosque for sunset. So from the UK we've booked 2 entries, one in the morning and one for sunset. To be honest with you, if it was me, I would just come here for sunset, because this morning it was absolutely scorching. It's a bit too hot to be out there. The temperature has gone down a bit, so it's a bit more pleasant now. So the colours are much better now, as you can see. Sun is setting. Still quite a few people visiting the mosque at this time. Wow, look at it with all the lights on. Totally different story in here. Wow. This is the part that I like quite a lot, with all the columns. Guys, look at this. This is incredible. Before we go back to the airport to catch our flight to Jakarta, we are going to try to see if we can go to a viewpoint where you can actually see the mosque from far away. So yeah, we've seen that sort of spot on Instagram, so we want to do pretty much that kind of photo. I think what we have to do is to cross that bridge down there. You can sort of have a good viewpoint of the mosque. So let's see. Cannot be there long because we need to get the bus back to the airport, or else we will miss our flight. So, as I was speaking about the temperature, now it's actually quite good to walk around. It must be about 30 degrees at the moment. Still hot, but nothing. I mean, today was brutal. Today you couldn't stay on the roads more than 5 minutes, you would sweat backwards. So do I recommend visiting Abu Dhabi? The most important things can be seen in one day. So if you do like I done, just do a stopover. If you're going anywhere in the Southeast Asia, make sure you got at least 10-15 hours stopover. Then you can come and visit the mosque, maybe some other attraction. So this is the bridge that takes you over the other side, and there should be that viewing point. So we're going to go on the top here. You can see the mosque there. So I reckon from the entrance of the mall that takes you to the mosque, probably about 10 minutes. I mean, I'm not there yet. I would say a good 10-minute walk, fast walk, you can get to the viewing point. Just for your information, if you come here to this viewing point, down there, there's a bus stop. If you go into the airport like us after, you don't have to walk back to the information center of the mosque where the mall is. You can get the bus from here. So we got more time we can spend here doing pictures. That's quite good. So let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Wow, look at this. You can't fault the people from the UAE. They really do things with style. Look at the mosque down there, beautiful. Whoa, you can actually see the reflection in the water here. Seems that they've done this on purpose, but it actually works. Wow, look at this. Very cool. I'm going to zoom in a bit so you can see the total effect. Isn't this worth doing that walk? Eh? I think this is it from Abu Dhabi. It's been an incredible day. If you've got a chance, you should really visit this place. It's absolutely amazing. As you can see behind me,